And a lot of preachers do not fear God. To not study and just get up and preach emotion or something like that. To say all kinds of things with no biblical basis. It's a terrifying thing, because that preacher is going to have to answer for every word before the throne of Christ. It is a terrible thing to preach incorrectly. If I preach incorrectly, if I preach unbiblically, guess what? You're free. You're not held accountable for anything I say, but I will be judged. But now here's what you need to understand also. It is a dangerous thing for the congregation when a preacher does preach biblically, because now the congregation is responsible. You're responsible for everything you hear.